Hello students, today we are going to discuss types of redox reaction. First type of redox reaction is combination reaction. That is clear. The naming of the combination reaction, the chemical reaction in which two or more substances combine to form single substance. It means two or more reactants combine to form a single product is called combination reaction. There are some common example of the combination reactions like carbon combust with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, where the oxidation number of carbon is 0 and oxygen is also 0. But in form of the compound CO2, the carbon have +4 oxidation number and oxygen have -2 oxidation number. Therefore, carbon increase, it means they lost 4 electron to form C2CO2, and on the other hand oxygen gain 2 electron to form CO2, right? So the oxidation number increases oxidation, and on the other hand oxygen decrease the oxidation number, so it indicate the reduction reaction. Also these are the common example of CH4 and O2 to form CO2 plus H2O, MgO combined with Mg plus O2 combined to form MgO. Also, iron combines with sulfur to form FeS, ferrous sulfide. Second one is decomposition reaction, the chemical reaction in which a compound break into two or more simple substances. It means one reactant decompose into two or more than two substances is called decomposition reaction. Like this, H2O heated to decompose into the H2 and O2, right? These are clear. The oxidation reduction also, mercurous oxide or heated to decompose into mercury and oxygen. Also KClO3 decompose into KCl plus O2, right? They are a Markle point is all the decomposition reactions does not show redox like carbon calcium carbonate CaCO3 does not show redox reaction, but it is decomposed into the CaO and CO2, but does not show redox reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction, the reaction in which one ion or atom in a compound is replaced by an atom or ion of other element, is called displacement reaction. It means high reactive element displace the lower reactive elements in their salt. Like CuSO4 combined with Zn, Zn displace Cu copper in the copper sulfate solution, then form Cu plus ZnSO4. It is a redox reaction like nickel sulfate combined with cobalt to form cobalt sulfate and nickel. Vanadium pentoxide combined with calcium to form calcium oxide and displace vanadium. Sodium combined with H2O to form sodium hydroxide and H2. Calcium also hydroxide to form select lime and displace hydrogen. Zinc combined with HCl to form zinc chloride and liberate hydrogen gas. Fluorine also liberate hydrogen gas to form FeCl2. Chlorine, when combined with potassium bromide to form KClO and Br, it is also displacement reaction. The other one reaction is disproportionation reaction. In disproportionation, it is special type of reaction, special type of redox reaction. These are the reaction in which an element of one oxidation state is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. It means The reactant is oxidized as well as reduced in a reaction. Like H2O2, decomposition H2 and O2, H2O2 are oxidized as well as reduced. And also phosphorus combined with hydroxide to form phosphine and H2PO2. Here phosphorus oxidized as well as reduced. And also sulfur combined with hydroxyl ion to form sulfate ion and SO2, S2O3 and 2H2O. There are sulfur oxidized as well as reduced. Right? These are four important type of redox reaction. First is combination, decomposition, displacement, and last one is disproportionation reaction. Okay, in our next video, we will try to discuss our next topic, balancing of chemical reaction.